Hey guys, Justin here at AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're taking a closer look at the unpainted Roush front fascia chin spoiler, fitting all 2005 to 2009 Mustangs equipped with the Roush front bumper. Now the Roush front chin here will appeal to all early S197 Roush owners who are looking to either replace a damaged or possibly missing chin spoiler, or maybe if you have another 05 to 09 Mustang and have made the switch to the Roush front end, you might need the chin spoiler to complete the package, and if that's the case, this is going to be for you. Now the made in the USA genuine Roush product is going to run you just north of $300, and as you can see, will require some prep work and paint to finish the installation. All right, so as you might imagine, this is going to be a pretty quick video because this is a pretty simple part with one purpose in mind: to install or freshen up an 05 to 09 Roush front bumper or fascia. No, this chin spoiler will not fit your stock V6 or GT front end, so don't try. Instead, again, you have to have that Roush front bumper in order to install. But with that out of the way, guys, again, this is the exact same chin spoiler found on the special edition Roush cars of this year range, including the 427R, and really does add even more muscle to an already awesome front end. But for those of you or us who aren't lucky enough to own a Roush special edition car, different parts are available through the site here, through the aftermarket, to recreate that same look. And of course, the front fascia is a very popular choice for the early S197 cars. And again, you can find that bumper or fascia here on the site if that's something you wanted to add to your ride. All right, let's move into construction, and pretty simple part here, guys, but from a construction standpoint, you are going to be looking at an injection molded TPO material, otherwise known as a thermoplastic, much like you'd find on similar parts from Ford and so forth. Now, stating the obvious here, guys, the fact that you will need to have this prepped and painted to match your matching Roush front fascia here will be, of course, the finishing touch. Last but not least, Roush does include all of the necessary hardware to get the chin spoiler installed. All right, moving into pricing, and definitely a little bit of the Roush tax here when it comes to overall price point, as the low to mid $300 ballpark figure. Certainly not the cheapest option out there, but you have to keep in mind that this is a legit Roush part and not some cheap knockoff, and as a result, the quality and fitment will be dead on. All right, let's quickly move into the install, and again, this can go down in one of two different ways, either as a replacement or maybe as a new install if you have the fascia but no chin spoiler. Now, no matter what you are doing, both are going to be very simple, again, thanks to the included hardware. So let's call it a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and maybe an hour of your time at most to complete from start to finish. All right, guys, wrapping this one up here. Again, if you are looking to replace a faded or damaged chin spoiler on your 05 to 09 Roush Mustang, or maybe looking to add that cherry on top to your Roush front end conversion, you'll want to grab the Roush chin spoiler, available right here at AmericanMuscle.com.